Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I am Holly and I do bag reviews and product reviews, and sometimes I do little shopping hauls. So today I wanted to talk to you. I've been in this is the Kipling Defea bag. I have been in it since before Thanksgiving, and I'm getting ready to change out, but I'm hesitant to change out because I absolutely love this bag. My favorite color is orange, and this is a stunning orange bag that is so light to carry. I mean, the bag itself is light. I'm a classic overpacker, so this bag is, you'll see when we get into it. But I just wanted to do a review on the Kipling Defea because I know Kipling is having a ton of great sales for the holidays, and this is a bag that is fantastic for moms. It's not marketed as a diaper bag, but I feel this would work fantastic as a diaper bag. I'm a mom of 4, and none of mine are diaper bag age, but I do carry quite a bit because I have 4. So, but this bag would also be great for like older people that have like neck and back problems, or even younger people that have neck and back problems, but that have, need something lighter, and that clearly don't carry as much as I do. It's a crinkled nylon, and it can be worn crossbody with this cotton webbing. I want to say it's cotton webbing. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's cotton webbing. And it has the classic Kipling logo. I tend to carry it on the shortest setting, but I did wear it crossbody today. I had to run to the grocery store, but I do like a classic over-the-shoulder bag. But this is a really comfortable strap if you want to wear it crossbody. It does also have this, and you can see some wear a little bit, not too much, it's just crinkling. But I absolutely love this bag. It does have a monkey that went on it. I took the monkey off because it's pandemic time, and I feel like, I don't know, I feel like the fuzzy monkey just can get really nasty, and there's no really good way to wash him. So I made these little hand sanitizer, it's a hand sanitizer pouch and a little chapstick cozy for when we went to Disney to hang on my bag so I could easily access. And since we were traveling, we went to the Outer Banks of North Carolina for Thanksgiving this year. I just decided to throw these on there since we did some lighthouse tours and Jockey's Ridge and the Wright Brothers Museum and stuff. So I wanted to be able to, access this easily. But let's start in the front of the bag. It has 2 front pockets here. This one is, you have your classic rubber Kipling logo here. It has Velcro, which, you guys, I'm not a fan of Velcro, but I love Kipling's Velcro. And it's just a slip pocket right here. I have my flashlight from the Dollar Tree. You guys, these are such fun little, like, they're a magnet, so you can like slap it onto a refrigerator, or like if you have a camper, like it'll go right on the oven in your camper, you know how it's like metal and stuff, or on the side of it in your car on the hook, it's awesome. The kids, I like to carry this because like at night, if we're at a neighbor's house or something, or even here at home, the kids like to go frog hunting. My Aaron's thinking putty, which I keep in there. Yeah, look, it's magnetic, see? I keep in there for anxiety. And then the classic Kipling zippers. These are so buttery smooth. In here, I just have a portable pocket juice charger. I have my Daisy Rose. I have a couple of coupons, a gift card. I keep cash and coins in here. And then I have my Dagny Dover card case. It has a little D-ring here. Keeps all my cards. Love this thing. It's super small, so I can hook it onto my keys if I wanted to and just run into a store that way. But, I mean, it's a very spacious. It's gusseted, so it's not taking up precious real estate on the inside of the bag. In the front here, I love this pocket. When I first got it, I was like, what the heck am I going to use this for? This is the perfect tissue, or in my case, face mask pocket. It's easily accessible, and you can get it so quickly. And then in this pocket here, let's see if I can take this camera down a little bit more. In this pocket here, I just have some hand sanitizer. I have my doTERRA beadlets. I have On Guard and peppermint. I have some deep blue. And I have some mints. So that's what I keep in that pocket. I mean, these pockets are a great size. On the side of the pocket, under the D-ring, again, you have some Velcro. But you guys, it's not, I mean, like, I put on my other side, there's a mirroring pocket just like this. I wouldn't consider it a water bottle pocket. I mean, you maybe could. I just keep my Kipling pepper spray in here, so it's easily accessible. But again, it's not going to go anywhere. And then the other one on this side, I just keep my phone in, but I'm actually using that today to film because I didn't charge my battery on my camera. So on the back here, we have this really long pocket, and it goes the depth of the bag. So in here, I just have like a bunch of random flat stuff. I have receipts, stamps, coupons. I have a couple packages. I have tissues. I have a couple packages of wipes, some more coupons, some more receipts. Exciting stuff. I didn't clean out my bag for you. This is real life. Sorry. And then on the top of the bag, I'll turn it around. On the top of the bag, you have your double zipper. Again, Kipling, buttery smooth. Love this. This is what the inside of my bag looks like. On the back wall, we have a zipper. Let me see if I can get you up here. We have a zipper pouch on the back wall. And in that, I just have some feminine products, some prescription, and my charging cable and block for my phone. On this back wall, you also have a key leash, which I love because, like, if I go into a store, I don't want to be digging for my keys when I come back out because I want to hand sanitize and I don't want to contaminate my purse. So I will literally just leave the key fob out and carry it like that in the store. And then I use my Lysol spray that I have in my car and like Lysol my, yeah, I'm that person. So anyways, fantastic feature. If you don't want to carry your keys on here, you can put like a lip clip or Passy Pod, whatever it is you need. I have Hudson's Boogie Board, which he clearly drew. What did he draw? A race car. I have my Fossil Keeper pouch. In here, I just have some snacks, which I need to refill. You guys have seen this set. If you've seen any of my videos before, my Keeper pouches, I just absolutely love them. I should switch out to my Kipling Creativity pouch, but the medium pouch, the big pouch is my snacks, medium pouch is like my mom things, this pouch is like my first aid. Then in here I have my earbuds, I have some toys for Hudson. How cute are these? Seriously, though. Like, the cutest things ever. Look at his teeth. Like, how cute is that? I know, I'm totally a boy mom. And then in here I have a happy planner. This is my social media planner, so it's got like my ideas. I don't want to show too much, but it has like my ideas and when I want to post things. I have some O'Keeffe's Working Hands hand lotion. Lord Jesus, let me get that out. And then I have my Rocket book. If you guys haven't seen the Rocket book, this thing is awesome. So what you do, this is the little microfiber cloth that comes with it, but these use, let's see, I've written in it, oh, first aid refill, well, I need a refill. So you use the Pilot friction pens and you write on here and then you can scan it into your phone and it saves it as a file. And then when you're done using like whatever, your notebook or whatever, you then can stick the whole notebook in the microwave and it erases everything. So you can reuse it. It's freaking awesome. So then we have I have a regular pen because I don't always need to use my friction pen. Let me switch it around so you guys can actually see what the heck I'm doing. So this has this pocket, a smaller pocket, 2 pen pockets, and then a larger slip pocket. So this one I just had the Rocket book, notebook, and my O'Keeffe's, just like that. And then I have my pen, my regular ball pen, and then I have a lip gloss, my Tide to Go pen, and a roller ball of perfume. And that, my friends, is all I have in this bag. But this bag would be great as a diaper bag because, like I said, I mean, it's massive and it's squishy. Who doesn't love a squishy bag? But no, you can fit wipes, diapers, food. These would be great places, great spots for like your diaper creams and all kinds of stuff. So lots of outside quick easy access pockets as well. Like I said, you have all these pockets in the front so you can shove stuff in there. It's a fantastic bag, which I'm putting everything back in, so that tells me I'm not changing out of this bag anytime soon. I really love this bag. I've been on the fence. I've been wanting to go back into my Miss Fong bag. My Miss Fong Love and Peace and Love and Peace mini. This bag, I love, love, love it. I miss it every time I'm not using it. But then I feel the exact same way about this bag. So yeah, clearly I'm not moving out of this bag anytime soon. But that's it. That's my Kipling Defea bag. It's a very light bag, light nylon, water resistant. You can wash it in the washing machine. It's fantastic for pandemic use because you can wash it. If you have any questions for me, please leave them down in the comments. If you have any ideas of anything that I'm missing in my bag, please leave those in the comments as well. And if you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. I appreciate all of you and all of my subscribers. And I hope you guys stay safe and Merry Christmas.